कालीन भैया को ही लेके सेट पे गया था, बट इन्होंने पहले बोला कि यार कुछ अलग करना है, तुम्हारे लिए नया नहीं है, लेकिन इसको कुछ वी मेक समथिंग न्यू.
He liked very much was Guru. He became very emotional after that, and I think the greatest moment in my life.
Who said physics?
Aditya.
Aditya.
Aditya is right. One thing about Anurag Basu, you wish every director had.
His cooking skills.
His wife.
A dream role that you're dying to play.
Maybe sportsman.
Which actor, according to you, got the best Bollywood debut?
What? I don't know, man. I haven't watched everyone's debuts.
He is a genius because if you watch this film, you'll understand how difficult it would be to put together so many stories together.
I happened to show my father the film Day Before Night, and he said, "Where have all these actors come from? They're so wonderful, each and every one of them."
Welcome, guys, on Bollywood Hangama.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, and Abhishek Bachchan, how would you rate Anurag Basu as an actor?
Is there a number low enough? You know, he kept telling us, "Sir, thoda down, make it natural, subtle chahiye, subtle." It's because all the unsubtle acting and the hamming he was going to do later. He didn't want competition. So he made everybody underperform so he could overperform. But like I always told him, you know, after my last day of shoot for Idun, I said, "Now, Dada, you can get back to doing what a director truly wants to do, and that's act." And he took me seriously.
अनुराग सर, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप अभिषेक को?
No, he's absolutely. I'm a very bad actor. Awful.
You are there for substantial period of time, and you are the सूत्रधार.
हाँ, बस सूत्रधार के लिए ठीक है, बाकी सूत्र किसी और के हाथ में. मजबूरी में करना पड़ा फरदून, मजबूरी थी.
लॉकडाउन में और कोई नहीं मिला तो
कोई नहीं मिला lockdown.
So, all of you guys, welcome. So, Pearl and Rohit, you're having substantial roles in the film, both of you. How was the experience of being a part of Anurag Basu's world?
It was beautiful to work with Dada, and he has so many fans over here in South as well. When certain directors come up with their films, the kind of reception that Anurag Dada gets here in South is immense. And I've always, watched his films and followed him. So when I first got this film, I was surprised and I was shocked, and I thought I was dreaming. And then when I finally got to meet him and started to work with him, I understood why people love him so much and why he's such a big thing. And he's a genius, like everyone keeps saying. He is a genius because if you watch this film, you'll understand how difficult it would be to put together so many stories together so beautifully. And he's done that. And it's just a blessing. If you ask me, I would say I feel blessed to have worked with him.
And Rohit, actually, I was just searching for Pankaj Tripathi, so I found him. I couldn't resist him. Rohit, how was the experience being a part of?
It was amazing, actually, Faridun. Thank you so much for asking. I'd mentioned this to Dada also when I was shooting with him, that I've been in Bombay for like 7-8 years now, and I had a friend in the same building as he had his office, Dada. So there were a couple of times that I actually crossed paths with him, and I used to have like massive fanboy moments, and I used to see him, and I always wondered when I'd get to work with him. And Dada, you're making a face as if you've never heard this before, but you actually have. And then I did get to work with him, so it was fantastic. Every day, like when there's so many interviews, we are often asked that, what did you learn? But honestly, as an actor, of course, there was so much to learn when you're performing in front of the camera, but his set is so unconventional, I would say. Like his ways of shooting a scene and getting a perfect shot is so unconventional that even while you're looking at the crew when they're working, you're just blown away and you're constantly learning something, you're constantly inspired. So it was fantastic, working with him. It was beautiful.
Great. So Inayat,
Yes.
how was the experience working with Abhishek Bachchan?
मुझे अभिषेक भैया से काम करके बहुत 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 ज्यादा अच्छा लगा. मैंने इतनी ज्यादा इंटरव्यूज में बताया कि सच में बहुत 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 ज्यादा अच्छा लगा. वो बहुत ज्यादा प्यारे हैं, बहुत ज्यादा हम्बल है और बहुत ज्यादा अच्छे हैं, बहुत ज्यादा एक्टिंग भी बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी करते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा हैंडसम भी है, सो मुझे उनके साथ काम करके बहुत मजा आया।
Okay, so Abhishek, how do you respond to this? This I think very honest and amazing sort of response. Like you're a wonderful human being and you look so good and you act well as well.
It's, I don't know, it's embarrassing, but she's brilliant, you know. I feel so
Thank
lucky that
you.
we got the opportunity to work with a talent like Inayat. And Dada had told me before she came on set that, you know, you're going to be blown away because he had seen her on a show that she was doing. And, you know, when she was going to come on set, obviously being a kid, हम सबको लगता है कि देखिए बच्चे हैं, उन्हें शायद समझ नहीं पाएंगे कि हो क्या रहा है, कैसे होने वाला है and all that. But she came and she's like a 20-year veteran, you know. She just took over the set and she said, "This is my line. ये आपका line है, ये भूलना मत, ये ठीक से करना, ऐसे करना, वैसे करना." And she's just unbelievable. I got to spend a lot of time with her on set, but even the rest of the cast. I mean, it's so wonderful to see such wonderful talent come together. And what's really nice is it's such a secure bunch. Nobody's, you know, scurrying for, oh, who's doing what. Everybody just did their job in a very nice, civil manner, went back, and that shows. I think that off-camera camaraderie really shows. And it's just such a wonderful collection of actors. I happened to show my father the film Day Before Night, and the first thing he said is, he said, where have all these actors come from? They're so wonderful, each and every one of them. And he actually went out and listed one shot of each actor that he liked the most. Now, for a film which has, I would say, almost 20 major roles, for anybody to remember one shot that is memorable of each of those characters goes to show that those actors have left a mark. And I haven't told Dada this. He kept asking me, kya bola? And I just wrote to him silent. But he spoke to me in detail and each and every one. And some of them, you know, for Inayat, it's her first film. For Pearly, it's her first Hindi film. Rohit is pretty much a newcomer, you know, and just everybody, I think they've all come together and everybody has just done their work so selflessly and so lovingly, and I think that really shows in the film.
Of course. All right. Okay, so Aditya and Sania, I have a question for you. So what message would you like to give to excitable couples who are planning to go to a hotel that is far from paradise?
Keep the
lights off.
Keep the lights off, yeah.
Keep the lights off.
Save electricity.
All right. That's about it. Anything else apart from that? Nice name, Paradise. Hotel Paradise.
Paradise.
Paradise. Yeah, I think the idea was paradise, so the spelling can vary from here and there. All right, Aditya, you and I think Sania, they make for an adorable couple. The fact that she has to take that stool to just match up to your tall personality is really cute as well. How was the experience of working with Sania?
A lovely experience. Yeah, we had a great time on set. I think we were, as characters, also put in such fun situations that it all lent itself to a very relaxed atmosphere on set. And Dada always keeps the mood really light, and you kind of finish the day feeling like you can still do more. You know, you never really feel like you're working, which is actually the best part. So yeah, we would just like relax on set because what we were doing in front of camera was also fun. The situations we were being put in as characters were fun. So overall, it was just a very enjoyable experience.
All right, and Sania, you want to say a few wonderful things that you said about Anurag sir yesterday to me? He's here right now.
Yeah, repeat.
Yeah.
नहीं
a lot of fun working.
वापस ठीक है.
नहीं सच में because
हाँ मतलब मैं सुन
for Dangal and you were shooting this ad and I really wanted to work with you, and then when I signed Dangal you gave me a call and you were like, there's something I'm working on, I really want to work.
I know.
Huge compliment for me coming from Dada. I was like कि अब तो हो गया, मैं तो actor बन गई हूँ, सपना पूरा हो चुका है मेरा, अब क्या चाहिए मुझे. But I'm so glad that after 4 years I got to work with Dada on Ludo. So I'm just thanking my stars.
Right. So Anurag sir, आप इतना बिल्कुल emotions में लोग इस वक्त absorbed हो चुके हैं, कैसा आप महसूस कर रहे हैं? As a director, are you absorbing the love that is coming your way from all across?
No, I'm thankful to all these promotions, these interviews. Otherwise मेरे मुंह पे तो कभी तारीफ नहीं करते. Because of these interviews मुझे कुछ अच्छा सुनने को मिला नहीं, तो मुझे लगता था यार they're going to gang up against me. But having said that, no, actually थोड़ा सा nostalgic feeling हो रहा है. And the fun we had during the shooting, I guess we could have done this promotion together. Would have great fun. Travel from city to city. बहुत मजा आता. And Abhishek was always looking forward to this. And we had plan of So
we planned all the dhabas we were going to go and eat in different cities.
Yeah, absolutely. So no, it's wonderful. Yeah. दिल मांगे मोर और काम करने लोगों के साथ.
Yes.
Right. Okay, इनायत, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? अनुराग सर के साथ में आपका एक्सपीरियंस रहा काम करने का?
मुझे अनुराग दादा से के साथ काम करके बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा लगा. बहुत ज्यादा मजा आया उनके साथ काम करके. और स्पेशली अनुराग दादा की वाइफ के साथ भी मुझे बहुत मजा आया, तानी नानी के साथ. एंड अनुराग दादा हमेशा एक ही चीज सिखाते हैं कि नेचुरल रहना है, और वो कुछ मतलब ओवर नहीं सिखाते, सो वो नॉर्मली सिखाते हैं. तो मुझे उनकी ये बात भी बहुत अच्छी लगती है, और मुझे उनके साथ काम करके बहुत ज्यादा मजा आया. और तानी नानी के साथ.
पंकज भाई, you are a magician man. You are a magician. और एक मिर्जापुर अभी देखा आपका, अभी उसके बाद फिर अभी लूडो में you're completely different. You're enjoying yourself like anything. मतलब अगर कोई henchman, कोई डॉन अगर होना चाहिए तो वो मतलब सत्तू भैया जैसा होना चाहिए, तो होना ही नहीं चाहिए.
ये दादा का करिश्मा है भाई मेरे. मैं तो कालीन भैया को ही लेके सेट पे गया था, बट इन्होंने पहले बोला कि यार कुछ अलग करना है, तुम्हारे लिए नया नहीं है, लेकिन इसको कुछ वी मेक समथिंग न्यू. तो इन्होंने कपड़ा लत्ता चश्मा ऐसा पहना दिया कि अपने आप वो कैरेक्टर बदल गया.
राइट. नहीं, पर ऐसे आपके जो परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन जो आपके कैरेक्टर के साथ में होते हैं वो बहुत ही दिलचस्प है. आपका एक बहुत ही अनयूजुअल सी लव स्टोरी भी है आपकी. बहुत ही दिलचस्प है. और समां मतलब आपको जो कहते हैं ना, जैसे कैट हैज 9 लाइव्स, तो आपकी काफी सारी आपकी मतलब उम्रें भी काफी सारी हैं. यू ऑलवेज मैनेज टू सर्वाइव समाउ द अदर. कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था आपका पंकज भाई? बहुत ही आपकी लाइनें बहुत दिलचस्प हैं. देयर इज एन एलिमेंट ऑफ अमिताभ बच्चन इन द फिल्म एज वेल. आपको डायलॉग पसंद है आपको बच्चन साहब?
शालिनी हैं वो मेरे साथ में, छोटी सी जो प्रेम कहानी है. तो जो नर्स बनी है शालिनी वत्स, वो हमारी दिल्ली की दोस्त है, दिल्ली के थिएटर के दिनों की.
अच्छा.
तो एक सहजता थी कि शालिनी, गुड़गांव में हमने ऑलरेडी एक फिल्म साथ में किया भी है शालिनी और मैंने. तो वो एक सहजता थी, और वो सब दादा ने बनाया. हमें कुछ नहीं मालूम था कि ऐसा कुछ होने वाला है सीन में.
पंकज जी, आपके सामने जब एक राइटिंग रखी जाती है, अनुराग इज राइटर एज वेल, आपको बताया कि ये आपके डायलॉग्स हैं, ये सारा एक पूरा वर्ल्ड है आपका, आपकी क्या तैयारी होती है अपने तरफ से उसमें कुछ अपना जादू डालने के लिए? बिकॉज एक पंकज त्रिपाठी मैजिक होता है हर किरदार में. हाउ डू यू वर्क ऑन योर कैरेक्टर? कैसे आप काम करते हैं? इस तक आपने कैसे काम किया?
मुझे लगता है कि एक्टर के प्रिपरेशन में उम्र लगती है. 40 साल, जैसे 44 मेरा है. और कैरेक्टर के प्रिपरेशन में कई बार बहुत ज्यादा वक्त नहीं लगता है. तो दादा की फिल्म में जो कैरेक्टर प्रिपेयर्ड होता है वो ऑलमोस्ट सेट पे जाने के बाद ही होता है. तो मेरी एक्टर की प्रिपरेशन थी, कैरेक्टर की प्रिपरेशन मैंने कुछ नहीं की. वहां गया, 1-2 दिन करते करते थोड़ा इनपुट मिलते गया और सुर समझ में आने लगा. सो कई बार कैरेक्टर भी गाइड करते हैं दूसरे तीसरे दिन से कि मुझे कैसे करना है, उन्हीं को सुनते हैं बस.
Abhishek, Mr. Bachchan has written these wonderful letters to quite a few actors. Like recently, Kunal Khemu has got lucky. Has he written any letter to you by any chance? Any note to you for any of your performances?
Yeah, thankfully. I was waiting for that day, because that I think for a lot of actors in the film industry, कि जिस दिन बच्चन साहब आपको एक चिट्ठी भेजेंगे with flowers, you feel कि okay, I've achieved something.
Yeah,
and for somebody like me who's not only his son, but also a huge fan of his and an admirer of the enormous talent that he has, to get that validation from who I consider to be the best is bigger than any award. But I think the letters he's written to me have been more paternal than anything else. And I value that a lot more. I mean, if he feels I've done a good job, he'll say well done, and that well done is enough. I mean, I'm lucky enough that I get to live under the same roof as him, and what I really enjoy is every time I show him a film of mine or show him my work, the first thing will be his observations of how I could improve, and that is far more invaluable than praise from him. Because the way I look at it, Faridun, and I mean this in a good way, he's had something to say about every performance of mine and how I could have improved it. And I think that's a godsend, because, you know, at the risk of sounding immodest, how many people have on-hand live advice from Amitabh Bachchan every time they do a job?
Yeah.
You know, and even if it's bad, I mean, he's basically telling you how to improve or how he thinks you could have done better, and he did the same. So it's, I mean, anytime any actor, it sounds a bit pompous when I keep talking about it, but any actor, I genuinely feel that. And you can ask any of my co-stars if they've worked with me before. If any actor shares any feedback with you, it's invaluable to me, because I understand how difficult it is to do one shot in a film, let alone an entire film, let alone several years of work. So any actor who's managed to stand in front of the camera and deliver a dialogue knows the journey they have taken to come in front of that camera, and that comes with a lot of experience. So anytime any actor gives you feedback, I think you should look upon it very positively. But like I said, I mean, if you're going to get a bouquet and a letter from who I consider to be the greatest we've ever had, I mean, wow.
Absolutely.
I mean, your life is made, right?
Okay, but any one or two films that he has really liked your performance and written a note?
Yes, I mean, it's very embarrassing to talk about.
No, please. We'd love to know.
I mean, I think the one film that he liked very much was Guru. He became very emotional after that, and that was I think the greatest moment in my life, apart from the birth of my daughter, was his reaction and blessing that he gave me after he saw Guru. And I mean that as an actor. I mean,
of course,
all us actors have actors that we admire, and to get some recognition or just even notice from an actor that you admire is a very big thing. Because, like I said, you know, I don't want to make it just about myself, but every actor has their own journey of making a film. And at that point of time, when their work is up for judgment, it's a very vulnerable time for us actors, Faridun. You know, we put on a brave front, we try to be blasé about it. But inside, no matter how many films you've done, you know, it's a very vulnerable moment, because you're up for judgment. And at that point of time, I believe every actor puts their life and soul into whatever they do. And that Friday comes up when your film is releasing, and all that you could have done, the best that you could have done, is up for judgment. And a lot of the time, your best isn't good enough. And that is crushing. So it's, you know, release time is filled with emotion. You feel very vulnerable, because like I said in an earlier interview, it's also, actors in a sense are very powerless when it comes to their work. Like I explained before, you know, hum log ek shot karte hain and the director decides whether it's right or not. And then there's so many technicians that can alter your work or can influence your work, and then how the film is shown, and then eventually comes up to the whim of an audience. Somebody could be having a bad day and they walk into your film because they have to take their family and they're just in a bad mood. You could have made the most brilliant film. They'll hate the film because their mind space is something else. A really good scene is going on and somebody's phone, they get a bad message, or a phone rings, or a child cries, or kuch bhi ho sakta hai. So actors are always on edge and very vulnerable at that point in time, because your work is up for judgment and you have no control over that. So you're at somebody else's mercy. So anytime you get encouragement from your fellow actors, for me, it's a huge deal. I mean, anybody who sends a message saying, you know, well done or all the best, it means a lot to me, because at that point in time, you're looking for that as well. You're looking for some endorsement from your colleagues. You're looking for some love from your directors. And it always feels nice. And I really hope that everybody gets to enjoy that kind of encouragement from our fraternity.
एक क्विज है हमारे पास में, and I would want all of you guys to participate. And ये क्विज है कि आप अनुराग बासु को कितना जानते हैं आप लोग. मैं कुछ सवाल बताऊंगा. Okay, and मैं ऑप्शंस भी बताऊंगा. और जिसको भी आंसर आता है तो प्लीज आप फॉर्म के हिसाब से आप बता सकते हैं.
पर मैं छोटी हूँ, सो अगर मेरा गलत भी हुआ फिर भी मेरे को पॉइंट मिलेगा.
आप तो you are already a winner.
चालू पुड़िया.
So what is अनुराग बासु की बर्थ डेट क्या है? मैं ऑप्शन बताऊंगा आपको. 7th April, 8th April, 7th May, 8th May.
May.
8th May.
8th May. Because,
8th May.
yeah, 8th May.
8th May. I think Rohit said that first, right?
No, 8th May 1970.
8th May is fine. Who said it first? Rohit said it
I
first.
said the full
Me.
date.
नहीं, but
1970 है.
74.
अनुराग सर नहीं बर्थ डेट चाहिए, ईयर नहीं चाहिए.
You're not 74 born, Dada. You're 70.
I'm 74 born.
Don't try and
I'm
make
74
yourself
born.
younger by 4 years.
I'm 74
Come
born. But डुगू मेरे से बड़ा है उम्र
3
में.
महीने.
73. हाँ 3 महीने.
I think Rohit, you said 8th May first.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, I think so. Rohit won, and let's see who is. पंकज भाई, थोड़ा सा क्विज के मामले में आप थोड़ा सा प्लीज और एक्टिव चाहिए आपसे.
ठीक है.
इनायत आपसे भी बिल्कुल. You are the best. In which city was Anurag Basu born? So options were Mumbai, Delhi, Raipur, and Patna.
Raipur.
Abhishek gave the right answer. Raipur. I was born in Raipur.
Abhishek got it. So one for Abhishek, one for Rohit.
यही होता है.
हाँ.
सही जवाब दूं भी
One for
Okay.
Parli.
कभी नहीं
One
देंगे.
for
One
Abhishek.
for Abhish.
One
And
for
one for
Abhishek.
Parli. And one for Parli, not Rohit.
Which of the following films is not directed by Anurag Basu? Gangster, Kites, Paap, Kuch To Hai.
Pop.
Kites.
Pop.
Paap.
Who said it
Saya
first?
was his first film. Paap is not directed by him.
And also
Paap.
कुछ
and also
I-
कुछ तो है.
है?
And also कुछ तो है.
कुछ तो है भी
कुछ
नहीं.
तो है
Did you
directed.
I've not directed कुछ तो है.
कुछ तो है तो मैंने कभी सुना भी नहीं. कुछ तो है क्या है?
Yeah. Aisha.
मैंने
It
कुछ तो
is
नहीं
Ekta Kapoor sir.
मैंने सिर्फ
हाँ,
जगह
He
हाँ.
ghost directed it. It was a horror film. He ghost directed it.
Anil V. Kumar is the director. I'm not the
Yeah.
director of the film.
Come on, Faridun.
Okay,
Wrong
so
call.
we'll settle for Paap. Rohit has given Paap. Okay, we'll change that.
Rohit, see, this is what I said it first.
I said it
मैंने
first.
पहले
What the
बोला.
No,
hell?
actually, I just got a
मैंने.
message that it was Rohit who said it first. Rohit, I think, is 2. Abhishek is 1.
अच्छा तो आपको मैसेज कोई भेज दे तो वो सही हो
अच्छा.
जाएगा.
So it's pre-planned.
मैं actually सबको देख नहीं पा रहा हूँ.
अभिषेक भैया ये वाले राउंड के अभिषेक भैया विनर है.
हाँ,
नहीं
सही
बिल्कुल
बात.
100%.
और
100%.
मैंने भी दिया था आंसर.
मैंने भी
आपका
दिया
आंसर गलत था सानिया.
नहीं, I said it's okay.
मैंने भी.
From what I've been told, that Rohit said it first. That is Paap. So Anurag Basu made his directorial debut in Bollywood with which film?
Gangster.
साया.
No.
Saya, Kuch To Hai, Murder, Tumse Nahi Dekha.
साया.
Murder.
Murder.
So who said Saya first?
अभिषेक.
But give it
Abhishek,
to
so-
Rohit because you're going to do that any which way.
No,
मैं
no,
कुछ भी
no.
बोलूं रोहित को अवार्ड दे देते.
देखिए मुझे सब लोग नहीं दिख रहे हैं. To be honest, I'm not able to see everyone at one go. I'm using a mobile. So it is Abhishek is 2, Rohit is 2, and Pearly is 1. Okay. Anurag Basu has received BSc degree in which subject? Chemistry, Maths, Physics, Biotechnology.
Chemistry.
Physics.
Who said physics?
Aditya.
Aditya.
आदित्य भैया.
Aditya is right. So 2 for Abhishek, 2 for Rohit, 1 for Aditya, and 1 for Pearly.
0 for Sanya, 0 for.
No, 1 second. It is 3
Inayat,
for
0
Abhishek,
for
one of
Pankaj
which
bhai.
was unceremoniously taken away and given to Rohit.
No.
No. It was Rohit. That's what I'm- It was Rohit.
सान्या दीदी आपका भी 0 है.
हाँ.
This one is slightly tough. My request is please let me complete the options. Anurag Basu's film Life in a Metro won Filmfare Award for Best Film, Best Story, Best Screenplay, Best Editing.
Best story.
Best editing.
Best
Best
everything.
screenplay.
So Pearl is right.
क्या बात.
मुझे भी
Yeah.
Screenplay.
So Pearl is 2, Abhishek is 2, and Rohit is 2, and
आंसर क्या
Aditya
था?
is 1. Tanya and Pankaj भाई आप अभी तक हैं हमारे साथ में?
हाँ मैं हूँ बिल्कुल सुन रहा हूँ.
All right.
आंसर क्या था इसका?
सर वो अवार्ड में ले नहीं पाया. पता है क्यों?
क्यों?
ड्रेस कोड था, मेरे पास सूट ही नहीं था.
Oh.
This one is really easy. Let's see who gets it first. And please let me complete the options. What is the name of Anurag Basu's elder daughter? Ishana, Ahana, Kaira, Rehana.
Ishana.
Ishana.
Who said Ishana first?
Rohit and I said it together.
Rohit
Yeah, half
knows
point.
Rohit
Half
and
point.
Abhishek.
So Anurag sir, who said it? Like both of them said it together?
I think
Yeah.
I should give even Sania and Adi also said
Give me 1 point.
सबको.
So हम लोग generous हो जाते हैं. हम लोग एक सबको करते हैं. So 3 is Abhishek, 3 is Rohit, 2 is Aditya, and 1 is Sania. So that is really heating up.
Heating up.
You are 5 out of 5. Which of the following actresses has Anurag never directed for a film? Priyanka Chopra, Rani Mukherjee, Dia Mirza, Shilpa Shetty.
Rani Mukherjee.
Rani Mukherjee.
Rani
He
Mukherjee.
is right. So Aditya is right.
Right.
Who said Priyanka
Aditya
Chopra?
is right.
Right.
So Aditya is now 3.
Yeah.
So it is 3 people I have tabbed. Abhishek, Aditya, and Rohit. They are 3 all, and Pearl is 2, and Sanya is 1. So we have 2 more questions. Let's see. Let's see. Anurag Basu appeared as a judge on which of the following TV reality shows? Dance India Dance, Khatron Khiladi, Super Dancer, India's Rock Star.
Super Dancer.
Dance India
That's
Dance.
in the dance.
Super dancer.
Who said Super Dancer?
I said.
Rohit said it first.
Rohit. So Rohit has got it. 4. So there's one last, and let's see if someone equals it or if Rohit is going to be the winner. It's quite easy. Which of the following actors has Anurag never worked with? Imran Hashmi, John Abraham, Irfan Khan, Ajay Devgan.
Johnny Abraham.
They've got.
Abhishek got it. Abhishek got it. Abhishek. So
So
it is 4 all. So Anurag sir, do you have one question as a tiebreaker for Abhishek and Rohit, please?
No, it's okay. Give it to Rohit any which way. It's fine. We don't want him
No,
to
it's
get
okay.
upset and all that.
No, it's okay.
fine.
It's okay.
हाँ,
It's
वैसे भी
okay.
उसको दे दो उसको दे दो.
Anurag, any question that you
रोहित
have,
को
please.
जीतने दो, नहीं तो फिर से इनसाइडर आउटसाइडर
It's okay.
you don't know.
उसको नहीं.
He deserves to. Rohit deserves to win.
He deserves it. He's a deserved winner.
He's
done a
earned it.
thesis on Anurag. I think he should get it.
Okay, so my request is we'll end this.
Faridun, you should have asked these questions to Anurag himself. He probably wouldn't know half the answers.
Dada, you learn physics.
Okay, so
Early,
my
look
request.
at him. Does he look from any angle that he knows anything of physics?
No,
Then
I don't know.
We are having short rapid fires with all of you. I'll start with Inayat. Inayat, rapid fire with you. Which is your most favorite subject in school?
English.
Which subject you don't like at all?
Maths.
Abhishek Bachchan or Anurag Basu, who gave you more chocolates?
Both.
Both. Who's your favorite actress?
Aishwarya Rai ma'am and Shraddha Kapoor ma'am and Alia Bhatt ma'am.
All right. Okay.
चुके रहे दीदी ने बोला.
Which is your most favorite street food?
Street food Golgappa.
All right. Rasgulla or gulab jamun, your favorite dish?
Nothing. Ice cream.
Ice cream. What is the meaning of your name?
God gifted child.
That's
How often do you play Ludo?
लूडो
play
कितने
like-
लूडो
कितना
कितनी बार
खेलती है
खेलती हूँ?
Huh?
लूडो sometimes खेलती हूँ. कभी-कभी खेलती हूँ.
Sometime. Okay. Sanya, we've had one rapid fire yesterday. There's one more. Okay. What is the best thing that has happened to you during lockdown?
That I got to spend so much time with my family.
What one thing people do on a regular basis should be made illegal?
I don't know.
Spitting on the road.
Spitting. He is saying spitting. Okay. One thing about a boy that can be a major turn off for you.
Spitting on the road.
A food item that many people around you love, but you just can't eat it.
Kaju barfi.
Oh,
Which actor's performance which actor's performance impressed you the most in Ludo?
Inayat.
All right.
Yes.
Okay, so we'll come to Anurag sir finally, the captain of the ship. On your film set, what one thing you don't like your actors doing, but you can't tell that to them?
You can be honest.
No, I'll be honest because I don't like them to be on phone all the time.
I'm using two terminologies which you have used in the film, and you have to tell me that what is your thought process about them. What do you say when I say Atmanirbhar?
Morning tea.
Morning tea. Okay, media.
morning tea.
Morning tea.
What is something you think every director should try at least once in their career?
They should try other aspect of filmmaking. Edit, doing camera, doing production designing, or give music.
Which one practice many directors follow on set, but you don't?
There are a lot. So I don't. Abhishek, give answer. Yeah.
You don't say cut.
I don't say cut. Yes, and I don't say cut.
Which filmmaker do you consider your role model?
My role model, Ray Ghatak.
Which actor comes to your mind when I say the following? Best action star in Bollywood.
Vidyut Jambal.
The coolest guy in the industry.
The coolest guy in the industry. Everybody in this film. I think Adi, Abhishek, Raj, Pankaj.
Everyone? All right.
You didn't
So,
say Rohit.
Rohit,
God.
Rohit?
Rohit is not cool.
He's
And
hot.
yeah.
You're not a guy.
He's hot.
I'm not a guy
So-
only. Wow. Kya baat.
No.
No.
She
मैं
said
नहीं
that to
बोला।
Inayat. Inayat asked, what about
Inayat
me?
said, what about me? So I said, you're not a guy.
No, Rohit, everything is not about you, my boy. Simmer down, simmer down.
if you were to start a rumor about any one person present in our interview, who would that be and what would that rumor be?
How is this now a problem? Why are you getting me into trouble, yeah, Faridun?
No. You're so spontaneous. You're
Why
so...
such a negative thing? Ask a positive question.
No,
I
it
can't
is
get,
not-
I can't
it is
a
not
positive
negative.
rumor.
इतना पोल नहीं खोल सकता हूँ मेरे जितने भी co-stars हैं. There's so much I can say about each and every one of them. They'll all get into big trouble.
What is the biggest challenge when your co-star is a child?
Well, if that child happens to be Inayat Verma, then your challenges are nothing. You just have to be prepared. She's brilliant.
Oh,
Okay. One thing about Anurag Basu, you wish every director had.
His cooking skills.
his wife.
Your favorite song from Ludo.
I meant Tani.
Listen, Pearly has taken the meaning of Ludo and this film and the promotion very wrong today. Pearly is
I meant-
pregnant, Faridun, so her hormones are all over the place. So just please forgive her.
Yeah, I
because-
meant, no, I meant.
Okay, I'm getting these messages that we actually limited time to pick and
No, I
choose.
love Tani, ma'am. Nobody can replace her. That's what I said. I didn't get the question. I'm sorry.
Pearly, this is my rapid fire. You're not meant to be answering.
I'm sorry.
Why are you?
It was not me. It was my
This-
hormones.
Dada,
It's just the
this
hormones.
track of Pearly and Rohit is after my life. Pehle Rohit is interjecting. Now Pearly is interjecting. They're just these blue color people are just going after the red color people.
Yeah.
This is not fair.
Yes.
All right.
दो में गाने हैं?
हाँ
Dada, we didn't
गाने
shoot
हैं।
to any song, na?
हाँ
बात
लेकिन
पर बात मेरी तुम हो.
No, I like Meri
हरदम
Tum Ho
हमदम.
actually. I've heard all of them. They're all very nice. And what's really nice, Faridun, is they're very different from what Dada and Pritam Da have done in the past. But Meri
Yeah.
Tum Ho, I think, is a beautiful song.
Yeah, I think the music is lovely, in fact. If you could read any one person's mind from our industry, who would that person be?
My father's.
What is your most underrated film till date?
If they're underrated for a reason. So I don't think any of them are underrated. I think all of them are overrated. I'm very critical of my work.
What was Aishwarya's first reaction after watching Ludo?
I'll let you know as soon as she sees it.
Great.
She said something very sweet. She said, no, I'll watch it once it releases because I want to add to the views of the film.
Oh, so sweet.
I offered to show it to her before. She said, नहीं मैं उसको देखूं फिर उसका एक view add हो जाएगा उसका.
That's amazing. Pankaj bhai,
सावधान अर्जुन सावधान.
लूडो से लाइफ का, जिंदगी का सबसे कीमती लेसन कौन सा सीख सकता है इंसान?
वही अंत में घर ही आना है.
अंत में घर ही आना है. ऑलराइट. सत्तू भैया को अगर आप एक वर्ड में अगर आप डिस्क्राइब कर सकें प्लीज.
सत्तू भैया मतलब लूडो के डाइस जिनको खुद ही पता नहीं है कितने सारे नंबर है उनके पास.
Okay. How would you describe your 2020 experience in a hashtag? अगर एक हैशटैग में आप 2020 को अपने जाती तौर पे अगर आप डिस्क्राइब करना चाहें तो क्या हैशटैग होगा वो?
नहीं, हैशटैग OTT सबके लिए है.
Hashtag OTT, I like that.
एक हीरो का किरदार या फिर एक विलन का किरदार, एंटागनिस्ट, कौन सा आप ज्यादा एंजॉय करते हैं?
हीरो के दोस्त का किरदार.
ओके. एक ऐसा
उसके पीछे
एक ऐसा सवाल जो आपसे हर इंटरव्यू में पूछा जाता है जिसका जवाब देते देते आप थक चुके हैं.
यही कि आप कैसे करते हो. मुझे भी पता नहीं कैसे करता हूँ. मैं क्या जवाब दूं, आंसर दूं.
2020 में मिर्जापुर के अलावा आपकी फेवरेट वेब सीरीज कौन सी है जो आपने देखी हो?
मैंने अभी तक कुछ नहीं देखा है. अपने के सिवाय दूसरे का काम नहीं देखता मैं.
Aditya, if you can please answer these questions based on your work experience with these celebs over the years. A question you should never ask Shraddha Kapoor.
Question you should never ask Shraddha Kapoor. I don't know, yaar. Nothing. You can ask her whatever you want. She's chill. Can't think of.
Okay. Something about Alia Bhatt that many people don't know.
Something about Alia Bhatt that many people don't know. Can't think of anything for well, my question.
Okay. Easiest way to make Ranbir Kapoor happy.
Food.
How almost each and every film of Aditya Roy Kapoor has at least one chartbuster song.
I can claim no input into this. It's luck.
A dream role that you're dying to play.
Maybe a sportsman. Maybe nice to play a sportsman.
Okay. Your favorite song from Ludo.
Humdum Hardam.
Okay. Apart from acting, what skills do you have that your fans are unaware of?
I play a good game of pool. So if ever I need plan B, I can fall back on that.
Okay. Out of all the films you have done so far, which film is your most favorite?
Don't have a favorite. Yeah. They're all close to me.
Rohit, so out of all the people present in this interview, about whom have you heard the craziest rumor that you would want to share?
I don't read rumors.
You spread rumors?
God knows, maybe.
All right. Okay. One reason.
Oh, sassy boy.
One reason you'd want to work with Anurag Basu again and again.
I like the way he bullies me. I love it. So I want to do it for that again.
All right.
No, one second. I
He
love it
wants
for
to
his,
change.
I love the way he works. I love what he can make an actor do. So I
I still bully you.
Huh?
I still bully
He's
you.
still bullying.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. All right. So, Rohit, how will you describe Abhishek Bachchan as a prankster?
As a prankster, how will I describe?
Yeah.
A champ.
He's a champ at being a prankster. Okay. If God appears in front of you and asks for any one wish only related to Bollywood, what would it be?
That I want my film Ludo to be a super duper hit.
Well done.
Which actor, according to you, got the best Bollywood debut?
What? I don't know, man. I haven't watched everyone's debuts. Like, I'm not sure.
Hello, we didn't make our debut in the black and white era and all that. Huh? We're not that old. now.
I'm not a huge watcher. I don't watch a lot of films.
Okay.
ऐसे बात कर रहे हैं कि हम लोग बाबा आदम के जमाने में से अरे मैं वो सब black and white picture नहीं दिखता हूँ. Okay, of the films that you've seen, which was the best debut you think?
I don't think I've watched people's debuts. Like
You should say my own.
My own.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Actually,
Okay.
Dear Zindagi was a pretty good film. I'm very happy with that.
Okay. Who would you describe as your role model?
From the industry.
अरे
Or-
बोल दो रोहित, don't
Can be,
feel shy,
it
don't
can be.
feel shy. बता दो. I won't mind. Say.
From the industry, you mean?
It can be anyone.
Oh, my father.
Which actress, according to you, had the best debut in Bollywood?
I think Deepika.
If today you can talk to any one person in Bollywood for an hour, who would that be and what would you talk about?
I would talk to Amitabh Bachchan sir, and I would just listen to him. I don't think I'll talk much. I just want to
Okay.
listen to him and his
That is the conversation I
experiences.
really want to hear, huh, Dada?
Yeah.
Pearly calls my dad. Hello, Amitji, how are you? Speak.
No, I
on,
would
carry on,
throw
carry
in
on.
some
Don't
questions.
stop, don't stop, Mr. Bachchan. I just want to hear your voice.
No, I would want to listen to him.
Anyway, I want to speak to Amitabh Bachchan, sir. And I just want to listen to him. Mani, you won't say anything in between. Please carry on. Just give him
I
some
love
script
his
and let him
voice
read to
and the
you.
way he talks.
Okay, so if you can please let us know one sentence that you will tell Mr. Bachchan in Hindi.
Which Bachchan?
Mr. Bachchan.
Miss
Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. Mr.
Okay.
Bachchan is only one.
In Hindi.
Yeah.
मैं
What am I?
आपका बहुत बड़ी fan
Technically,
हूँ.
one second. Technically,
एक-
what am I? Faridun.
You are junior B.
I'm not
Junior
Mrs.
Bachchan.
No? No, if
No.
one is Mr., I can't be Mrs.
Like, for me, Mr. Bachchan is Mr. Bachchan. Like Mr. Bachchan is Mr. Bachchan. So you are junior Bachchan. Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Master
What-
Bachchan.
The Bachchan.
Okay. You want to say a sentence in Hindi to Mr. Bachchan?
सर आप केरला आओगे तो मैं बिरयानी बनाऊंगी आपके लिए और
Vegetarian है Mr. Bachchan.
वेजिटेरियन बिरयानी बनाऊंगी.
There's no such thing as vegetarian biryani. It's called pulao.
There
Pulao.
is.
This is my rapid fire.
मैं आपको समझा दूं. Biryani माने mutton
I
biryani.
make puttu
Bengalis
kadala.
have chicken biryani with aloo. The rest is tehri ya pulao. There's no vegetarian biryani.
Okay, I'll make something else. I'll make puttu kadala and all. Please come.
Yeah.
आप केरला में आओ.
It's very bland, huh? He will not like it.
With
Okay,
kadala
okay.
curry.
All right. So, Pearly, your dream co-star.
Rohit.
Rohit.
If you have to ask one question to Anurag Basu that you still haven't asked, what would you ask him?
What is my role?
What exactly is my story in the film? Because I still don't know. No, I would ask him something else. I would want to know how his brain works like this. Like, he's so chilled out on set, but after watching the film, I feel like anybody would have a nervous breakdown in the middle of the set, but he never did. And he was so relaxed on set. And the way he shot the whole film, I thought he was shooting a very simple movie. But when I watched the film, I understood it's not simple. So I want to ask him that way. How do you do it? How does your brain work?
But next time, don't come in people and say, "Sir, that shot my continuity was here and there." She used to get into continuity.
All right, so thank you everyone for talking to us. Lovely talking to you guys.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Thank you to you as well, Inayat. So congratulations for a wonderful film, and I hope that a lot of people they watch it all across the world.
Thank you.